everyone. Today I'm gonna make a pancake. Today me and Mama will make this all of things. This water, flour, egg. You can solve them together into a pancake.
First is
Flour.
slowly pour the flour.
Whoa.
Slowly.
Egg. Let's go pour it.
Slowly. Okay.
Whoa.
Put it back. Put it back.
Right now mix it.
Water.
Now water.
Slowly lang sa. Gamay sa ibuta. Ops ka sa. Okay, butang sa na. Then, you mix. I-move sa ng spoon. Go.
Wow. And then pour more water.
Ano nga? More. Sige, taro mag-mix. Guniti ang matagap.
Hello guys. The pancake just looks like an ocean. Like a
Flower.
ocean. Looks just like a floor.
So, ready na i-cook.
No, I'm gonna mix it steadily.
Can you count? No more. No. Can you count 1 to 100?
Sure.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Slowly.
1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 49, 31, 32,
49, 50.
51, 52, 53,
Dili lagi magpaspas.
55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89,
89.
90,
Okay.
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 100, 109, 110.
Is it ready to cook today?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for preparing. You're done.